Good morning. My name is Savannah Robinson, and I represent Anthem Blue Cross from the Medi-Cal division. It is such an honor to implement, in collaboration with Grace Community Development, Inc., the High Blood Pressure Education Month Health and Resource Fair. That's happening today on May 23rd of 2026. So it's just such a pleasure to be able to bring forth an important health issue that affects a lot of community members on a daily basis. So when bringing forth this idea to Grace Community Development, Inc., we happen to be very like-minded and be able to bring forth a lot of great resources that would improve not only high blood pressure conditions, but even the overall quality of life for these individuals in the Rancho Cordova area, as well as the greater Sacramento region. So it is, again, it's like so heartwarming to have all of the community partners, all of the community members, just to come out to be able to highlight this day together. So yes, thank you so much, and it's just a pleasure being here.
I'm Michael Murdoch. I'm the CEO and founder of M&M Healing Hands Home Health Services. We're a pediatric home health company from ages 0 to 17 to help with kids with complex medical needs and medical needs in general. We're in the licensing and accreditation phase, looking to open next year, and we'll be taking on patients and helping families with their pediatric kids. Thank you.
Hi, I'm here with Sierra Donor Services. We are a local nonprofit that deals with organ, tissue, and eye donation. Through our company, you have the opportunity, once you've passed, to save up to 8 lives and improve up to 75 more. If you're not registered to donate, you can do so at your local DMV.
Hi, my name is Brandy. I'm with DentaQuest California Dental Network. We are a dental plan that administers the Medi-Cal program in Sacramento County, and we are just out here to give information to the community and make sure they're aware about their dental benefits.
Okay, hi, my name is Leticia Molina, community promoter from Visión y Compromiso. We are Visión y Compromisos and Visión y Commitments for the community, and we are working with the labor rights for all workers in California, and we are currently presented or implementing a California Department of Health access to information. HCAI is a new program for help people or focus with strength the community and support for any other programs about immigration or planning preparation for the families. But right now, the most help we can tell about is labor rights for all community here. And that no matter they have, you are legal or not legal in the United States. We can help you, and we can find, everybody can find in a Mexican consul 3 times a week, like in case they don't have access to us. Or my phone number is 530-314-1344. Thank you very much. I don't know.
Susanna here with the Center for Workers' Rights. We are a nonprofit organization who has been serving the Sacramento area and Northern California for the last 12 years. We provide free legal services to low-income workers, and we also want to go ahead and educate those who are in the labor force. We go ahead and also provide Know Your Rights training for anybody that's going into the labor force or already hold a job. So if this is something that may interest you, please feel free to contact us. We're always happy to go ahead and do workshops and just let you know about your rights at work. And it's always important to go ahead and reach out to us and know your rights as a worker before anything serious happens, because that's the thing. A lot of people do happen to reach out to us once they've been wrongfully terminated. So any way that we can go ahead and, promote our rights as workers, it's always helpful. And just always remember that workers' rights are human rights.
Well, my name is Lizandra. I'm here with Habitat Health. We're in collaboration with Kaiser Permanente. We support the PACE program here in Sacramento, which is an all-inclusive plan to support seniors 55 and older to remain safely in the community and keep their independence as they age and their bodies change. Ultimately, we have a personalized care team that helps with additional support services like transportation, home health, caregiving, appointments, pretty much everything under one organization.
Heyo, my name is Louis Summers. I'm with Nights and Weekends Mobile Notary. This is my amazing partner, Ms. Jennifer Madden. We provide a mobile notary service generally to the senior community, which is underserviced and overcharged. We will come to you. You don't have to come to us. In fact, please don't come to us because we'll come to you. It's a lot better that way. We do acknowledgments, we do jurats, we do mobile signing agent, notarial agent for loans and things. We have a specialty in trusts. Oh, health directives. So power of attorney, final directives, things like that. It's a little uncomfortable, but if you need it, we're professional and we're courteous and we'll come to you and make sure that your service is provided in that fashion. Also, if we make some kind of error and it's our fault, we'll come back and fix it for free. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Christy with CapTel Caption Phones. I'm here today to promote this no-cost, government-funded home caption telephone for people with any kind of hearing loss. It also helps with people who can't see very well. It writes all the words on the screen, so if you can't hear it, you can read it, and you can even see what they said later. It's got an answering machine, it's really easy to use, and the best part, again, no cost, no age or income requirement. So I'd love to help the community with whomever they could benefit from having one. Thanks for having me here today.
Ready? Hi, my name is Sheena and I represent Lupus So Visible. We are a local nonprofit for the education and awareness of lupus. We're here today spreading awareness, getting people educated, shaking hands, meeting friends, and getting accustomed to our community. So if you'd like to know more, you can find us at Lupus So Visible on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Threads. We'd love to connect with you.
Yeah, I'm Brian Click. I'm the lead instructor with CPR with Heart. We are a American Heart Association training site that we go around to a lot of different community-based programs in like schools, and we do CPR training, first aid training, AED usage training, as well as Narcan. And yeah, we're just trying to educate as many people as we can about these life-saving skills.
I'm Sabrina and I'm here from Fortune School. We are a tuition-free public charter school. We serve grades preschool through 12th. We have schools all over Sacramento. If you're interested, go onto our website at fortuneschool.us and check us out.
Hi, my name is Angeli Torado and this is the Valley High Tech Academy. It's a student-run clinic in the high school Valley High where trained students become CHWs and connect people to health providers, health insurance, food banks, and other resources. We go out into our community and offer services to improve and better our community.
This is Mohammed, a community health worker. Also, we also provide. We have a dental clinic every month that our hygienist, Ms. Pity, do the cleaning, and we have oral education. We also provide education to people in events like this. We teach them about fitness, that they have to do at least 30 minutes of exercise every day and 150 minutes every week, and this sort of stuff. We teach them about the different types of exercise. We teach them about how to keep a good diet and stuff.
Hello and welcome to Quick Quack Car Wash. My name is Macy. We have Julian, Elijah, and Quentin back here. Today we are just out here spreading good energy, smiles, and great way to keep your car clean for the best price, letting people know about our unlimited wash packages at every Quick Quack location. If you secure at one location, you get to use it at any of them. We are building a Quick Quack location on every single island of Hawaii. If you can get your car over there, you get to wash your car for completely free with that one-time payment. But best way to keep your car clean for the best price, go ahead and come on down to Quick Quack Car Wash. That way we can keep your car clean and you could not have to worry about having a dirty car.
Hi, my name is Mary Pruitt. I'm with Mary Kay Cosmetics.
And my name is Monica Hill. I'm with Mary Kay Cosmetics as well.
Yeah, and Mary Kay is a company that's been around for 63 years, since 1963. We started out with skincare, and now we do everything from head to toe, as well as men's products. We also do a lot in the community. We millions of dollars into cancer research, specifically for women. We donate money to women's domestic violence shelters. We have a hotline for teens suicide prevention. Our products are all environmentally safe. We don't create landfills. When they go to the dumps and things, everything dissolves, and so we're very conscious about our community. I raise a lot of money for cancer patients, and I do chemo care packages and drop off the products to them at the different cancer centers here in Sacramento. So there's a lot more to us than just a cosmetic company. So thank you so much, and that's what we do.
Yes.
You got something to say?
No, you covered it all. Thank you.
Okay.